If you're expecting a baby or you've just started breastfeeding, you may have heard colostrum called liquid gold. But what exactly makes those first drops of breast milk so special? Welcome back to Pump with Thilly, where we make breastfeeding and newborn feeding easier to understand. Colostrum is the thick, yellowish or sometimes clear milk your breasts produce during pregnancy and in the first few days after birth. You may only see a few drops at a time, and that is completely normal. Your newborn's stomach is very small, so those tiny amounts are designed to meet your baby's early needs. Colostrum is packed with antibodies, immune-supporting components, protein, vitamins, minerals, and other protective factors. It helps support your baby's developing immune system and provides important nourishment during those first days of life. One of the amazing things about colostrum is that it is easy for a newborn to digest. It also helps your baby pass their first stools, called meconium. This can help clear bilirubin from the body and may support a healthy transition during the early newborn period. You might worry that you aren't making enough milk because you only see drops of colostrum. Remember, more does not always mean better during these first days. Colostrum is naturally produced in small amounts, and frequent breastfeeding helps stimulate your breasts as your mature milk begins to increase. If you are expressing colostrum, hand expression can sometimes be especially helpful because colostrum is thick and may come out in tiny drops. If you're unsure how to express or collect it, ask a lactation consultant or your healthcare provider for guidance. Every mother and baby experience breastfeeding differently. If your baby is having trouble latching, seems unusually sleepy during feeds, has too few wet or dirty diapers, or you're concerned about feeding or weight gain, reach out to your baby's healthcare provider or a lactation professional. Colostrum may be small in quantity, but it plays a big role in those first precious days. So if you're seeing only a few drops, don't automatically assume something is wrong. Your body may be making exactly what your newborn needs right now. For more simple, practical breastfeeding and breast pumping guidance, subscribe to Pump with Thilly. And remember, you're learning too, one feeding at a time.